Hi, this is Grace from Chrono POS. Let's talk about stock adjustments. Stock adjustments can be used to correct our inventory in the case of an unexpected change to that inventory. This could be breakage, theft, or even employee use of those products. To get there, let's go down to Inventory, click Stock Adjustments. That's created. We're going to select the store this affects, so let's say the Nevada store. And now we need to add the product. Let's say in this hypothetical situation, an employee dropped a box of 12 stemless wine glasses and they all shattered. So let's add this product. There it is. Let's say it was a box of 12. Because we're losing 12 glasses, we're going to do negative 12. And we're going to specify our reason as breakage. And then we're going to put employee dropped. There we go. Once we save it, we'll notice it's no longer highlighted, meaning we can come back to it and add more items. But in this case, this would be the only item this affected. Once we're done with this, we're going to book it, which is another word for finalizing this, and it'll apply this negative 12 change to the inventory and subtract those 12 from our total. Okay, we've now booked it. Let's say hypothetically we go back and we're cleaning up the damage and we find that actually 2 of the glasses actually survived it. So the inventory is once again incorrect. So we're going to go back, and because we already booked the last one, we're going to have to create another one because we can't go back and change it as it was finalized. And we're going to add 2 to the inventory. Okay, we're going to do 2. Do breakage. Survived being dropped. How about that? All right. Once we save this, it'll re-add those 2, and our inventory will be correct. And that's how we do stock adjustments.